Jessica&Georgina, milk chocolate show. I'm Georgina and I'm mixing some chocolate, but it's not even melting. What is wrong? I'll let Jessica on now. Well, describe what you like about water. We use this chocolate.
28p for most stuff. We put water in there. Then we put it up the chocolate and put it in here.
And then I don't know, we myself. I really don't know.
And it's going alright. We've had our free.
With this nice stuff. That's making me want to wake up.
Oh, it's melted.
It's a lovely kitchen.
Here's the viewer again.
Yeah, so it's finally starting to come out. Going for a week. Wow, can I put your feet up, please? We've been doing it one at a time. Going really well. Look at that scrumptious.
There will be more videos of us cooking. Or cooking shows, learn how to cook.
Jessica's then.
By the way, it's 11:15 at night. We're cooking chocolate.
No, when you put it on YouTube, put a title on it saying, I'll cook so nice. Look at that!
Wow, it's starting to melt. Ah! This is very rough.
We change tea bars as a smart price. Milk chocolate. You find it in the sweet lane.
Confectionery.
Well, you find it in the confectionery lane. Nearly.
It's down the bottom, 28p.
It's near like the big bowl of galaxy and that. Look at that picture of me, George. Whack of that! Finally it's starting to melt.
What's one?
Look at that sexy chocolate. Man. Got my sexy face. Go back to Jessica.
Actually, it's starting to smell very well, to be honest.
Sorry, like
We do have a guest here today. I don't know if she's actually going to come though. Leigh.
Cooking in our kitchen. She doesn't really know that we're making this video. So shut up and don't tell her. She's always sitting on the stairs laughing.
That's really cool, that.
Oh yeah, sitting on the toilet laughing. Maybe if I drop this phone in there. Oh god. We should make some strawberries in there.
We gave you a couple of makeovers, by the way.
Yeah.
If you're one of them.
Let me do
Look at how many times. Look at how much it's melting.
Wow.
Put this video on it then. Back to Georgina.
Well, this is going very well. Oh. Wow. It's going really well.
I don't know how we're going to get out there and into 3 bowls.
The air's going very sexy as well. So just what are you up to today?
Just town with you and then sleep at Lee's. What are you?
Helen with me, and then Andrew of course, and then Asphalt to get this.
Oh yeah, we had to get this chocolate. This is our star guest, Leigh.
We're making a video for YouTube about us. Right.
This is a Jessica&Georgina cooking show, and you are our star guest.
You've got to tell us. You've got to tell us about. No, you've got to tell us about.
Chocolate.
No, you have to tell us about how good this chocolate is.
She works at Asda.
It's like 27.
28.
She needs to have.
27.
Get a bit of paper.
27. Look at that. Look, no, wait. Look at all that JC that's wrote on her. I love you, Jordan Court.
I'm getting this from YouTube, by the way. And we're going to send it straight to him.
Okay.
No, I don't. Georgina's mixing the chocolate. Didn't I hear Georgina say that Matthew Day was fit earlier? Oh no. You gotta be joking me. Yes, it's very fit. Please, why are you trying to let me out of my accent? I'm not saying it. My lips weren't moving, were they? Hello, Jessica. Hello, Jessica. Hello, this is our cooking show. You just told us that.
Very well, actually.
So you've got to be the medium. If I dropped the spoon in the chocolate, what would happen? You've got to be the camera gel. Right. That's not good, is it? No, I don't want anything sweet. Have you got any more chocolate bowls? Chocolate bowls. Wow! Any Easter eggs or something? Let's go and stop. Got some chocolate buttons, that's about it. Can you melt them? They're in my school bag, if one of you can go get them, then yeah. I just going to get chocolate buttons.
And the demons poking out.
Go to the school bag. Okay.
Look at that. No.
Mum, honey.
Leigh.
Yeah, I just got my cat's name wrong. It looks kind of poopy, really.
Sexy.
Not really.
Where is that? There must be one. Is there any more?
No, that's it.
We're now going to get these Asda Smart Fries chocolate buttons and put them instead, bro.
What makes you think that Asda Smart Fries?
Because they've got no label on them, innit?
No, they're from inside an Easter egg, which I bought last Friday.
Where's the Easter egg?
Can I just say, we don't like getting cheap stuff. We like the good quality. That's what
Like
we get.
Asda Smart Fries?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. It's not that simple.
You don't put rubbish in the bin.
No, we're keeping that to show the viewers. Myself. And just the
Got my camera and my cat.
Just do it.
Your cat's gonna be shy.
I don't know. Just tell me what.
Let's send it.
And that's how you cook. Not me then.
That's how you melt chocolate.
That is how that you make melt chocolate, this chocolate, in a saucepan in the kitchen. So you know what I mean?
Yeah, we need to add flavour.
Final goodbye.
No, we're not done. We've got to add flavour.
Sprinkles.
Yeah. Sprinkles!
Look at
Vanilla.
Yeah, syrup with.
Sainsbury's Basics.
Shut up.
Wait.
There's a bit of Jessica's hair.
Is that too much?
Is there a little too? I'm joking.
Any more?
Throw it in.
Yeah, babe. Any more?
Ah.
Yeah.
Put it on there then. Look at us shaking that mouthful.
Oh, yeah. What are you going to do with this after?
You do it.
We've got to say if it tastes good.
You got an ice cream? Then we can have some ice cream in a bowl and then put this on.
I don't think I have any play. Oh, sorry, darling. I just elbowed my cat in the face. I love you, baby.
There's the girl who elbowed my cat in the face.
I've only got like magnums. Oh.
Yeah, we can do that. Take them off the stick.
Put the chocolate.
Chocolate in there. Take it off. Yeah. And then chop up.
We can eat this.
No. You got a bowl of ice cream.
Maybe you're still
We're using this ice cream. This is Tesco this time.
There's no value.
We go to every supermarket and it's rich, you see. I'm just giving away what we do. There's Jessica trying to find where to put the lid.
Mom! I dropped ice all over the floor. The freezer. No,
The chocolate.
from where you were earlier.
That's the time at the moment we've spent ages on this video. So if you don't watch it, you're just gay. You know what I mean? Thirdly, just finished talking to her.
Uh-huh.
Do this.
Look at that
Put it
boy.
thick.
Look at that cat.
That's not a mice.
I said eyes. Look at that eye. Look at that cat. Someone take over some videoing, please.
Yeah.
Finish the video.
Right, we're going to end it now. We're going to put that chocolate with that toy cream. And then get some sprinkles on top. And that's how you melt chocolate. We don't want to say goodbye. Would everyone like to say their goodbye? Goodbye and thank you for watching.